Hi, hello, welcome to Vidyapeetham. This is Nitya, and today we are going to discuss about food and crops. And the crops in India know about kharif, rabi, and zaid crop in India. In India, two-thirds of the population engaged with agriculture, and the agriculture plays a vital role in the Indian economy. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. It includes farming of crops, animal husbandry, pisciculture, and agroforestry, etc. Nearly 60% of the Indian population primarily depend on agriculture. Agriculture, along with fisheries, forestry, and other allied sectors, contribute around 15.87% to the overall GDP of our country. The particular weather and soil conditions allow for crops in India uniquely suited to it. Let us take a look at the major crops in India. Crop season in India is the top producer of many crops in the world. There can be many ways to divide the type of crops based on area, season, economic value, etc. Based on seasons, the crops in India are divided into three types, that is rabi, kharif, and zaid. So what do you mean by a kharif crops? It's sown in June, July when rain first began. It is a monsoon crop harvested in September to October, required lot of water and hot weather to grow. Example: rice, jowar, bajra, maize, cotton, groundnut, jute, sugarcane, turmeric, pulses like urda dal, etc. are the kharif crops. Rice, jowar, maize, cotton, groundnut, jute, sugarcane, turmeric, pulses are the example for kharif crops and it is sown in June to July and it's harvested in September to October. The next one, rabi crops, sown in October to November, harvested in April to May, require warm climate for germination of seeds and maturation and cold climate for the growth. Example: wheat, oats, gram, peas, barley, potato, tomato, onion, oil seeds like sunflower, sesame, mustard are the rabi crops. What are the rabi crops? Wheat, oats, gram, peas, barley, potato, tomato, onion, oil seeds like sunflower, sesame, mustard are the rabi crops and it is sown in October to November, harvested in April to May. The next one, zaid crops. It's grown between March to June, between rabi and kharif crop seasons. Early maturing crop, example: cucumber, bitter gourd, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, moong dal, etc. are the zaid crops. Okay. Categories of crops in India. The major crops can all be divided into four main categories depending on their usages. Food crop. It includes wheat, maize, rice, millets and pulses, etc. Cash crops, that is sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute and oilseeds are the cash crops. Third one, plantation crops. Coffee, coconut, tea and rubber are the plantation crops. Next one, horticulture. Horticulture crops, that is fruits and vegetables. Major crops in India. Now let us look at the major crops in India detailed. Rice. Rice is a tropical crop that can be grown almost throughout the year. It depends on atmospheric moisture and rainfall for irrigation. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. India has largest area in world under rice cultivation. Productivity is low compared to wheat because Green Revolution primarily boosted wheat production in India. The traditional rice fields are known as paddy fields and required to folded with 10 to 12 centimeter deep water in the early stages. So rice is India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. And the highest producing country of rice is China. And the next crop is wheat. It is the second most important food crop in India. It is the rabi crop. India stands second in production of wheat worldwide. It is more flexible in terms of climatic and other conditions of growth. Major crops in India, the wheat type of crop is rabi and variety is Kalyan, Sona, Sonalika. The temperature is 17 to 20 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is 20 to 100 centimeter. Soil type for wheat crop production is clay loam, sandy loam. Major producers are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Uttarakhand. Highest producer in India is Uttar Pradesh. Highest per hectare yield is Punjab and the research center is Karnal, Haryana. Highest producing country is China, and the rice highest producing country is also China, and wheat is also highest producing country is China. And the research center situated in Karnal, Haryana. Cotton is the subtropical and tropical kharif crop. It is a fiber crop and it is also known as white gold. So which is white gold? Cotton. Cotton is a white gold. India ranked third in the production of cotton worldwide. It is a dry crop but roots needed timely supply of water at maturity. It is a major crop in India, and the temperature for the cotton cultivation is 21 to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is 50 to 100 centimeter. Its a soil type is black soil. It is a highly water retentive soil. Major producers are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. And research center situated in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Highest producing country is China. The next one, jute. Jute is a tropical plant that requires hot and humid climate. It is one of the most important natural fibers in terms of cultivation and usage. Almost 85% of the world jute is cultivated in the Ganges Delta. Major crop in India is jute. Type of crop is Saith varieties, white jute, Tosa jute. Temperature required is 24 to 35 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is 125 to 200 centimeter. Soil type is sandy and clay loam. Major producers are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, and the highest producer is West Bengal. Highest per hectare yield West Bengal, and the research center situated in Kolkata and Nilgunj in West Bengal. Highest producing country is India, but highest exporter is Bangladesh. Okay, highest producing country is India, but the highest exporter is Bangladesh. The next one is sugarcane. Sugarcane is an important cash crop. India stands at second position among all the countries in the world in its production. Sugarcane crop requires long rainy seasons of at least 7 to 8 months. Traditional sugarcane production was in North India, but it has also shifted to South India. North India sugarcane are of subtropical variety and so have low sugar content. Also, sugar factories have to remain shut in winter season in North India. South India tropical variety of and coastal areas hence have high sugar content and high yield. And it's a type of crop kharif and rabi. Temperature required to sugarcane cultivation is 20 to 26 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall is 75 to 150 centimeter. Soil type is clay loamy soil or black soil, cotton soil, red loamy soil, brown loamy soil. Major producers are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Punjab. Highest producer is Uttar Pradesh, and the highest per hectare yield is Tamil Nadu. Research center situated in Lucknow, and the highest producing country is Brazil. So sugarcane highest producing country is Brazil. The next one, tea. It's a plantation crop. Tea is an evergreen plant that mainly grows in tropical and subtropical climate. Tea is a labor intensive crop and 50% of the laborers are women. It grows faster under light shade. Commercial cultivation of tea started in India from British era. India is the second largest producer and the largest consumer of tea in the world. Tea plant require high rainfall, but its root cannot tolerate water logging. Hence, it's require sloppy areas. Major crops in India is tea, and the temperature required to cultivation of tea is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The rainfall required is 150 to 300 centimeter. Soil type is loamy soil, which is acidic in nature and rich in organic matter. Major producers are Assam, Darjeeling, Meghalaya, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Highest producer is Assam, and the research center situated in Toklai in Assam, and highest producing country is China. The next one is coffee. Coffee are grown in shade and commonly with 2 tiers of shade. Growing altitude of coffee range between 1000 to 1500 meter above sea level for Arabia, and the premier is coffee, and 500 to 1000 meter for Robusta. Both varieties are planted in well drained soil conditions that favor rich organic matter. Coffee plantation is done along hilly slopes of Arabica tend to gentle to moderate, while Robusta slopes are gentle for fairly level. And the coffee varieties are Arabica and Robusta, and the temperature required to coffee crop is 16 to 28 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is 150 to 250 centimeter, and the soil type required is well drained forest loam. Major producers are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland. Highest producer is Karnataka, and the highest producing country is Brazil. Next one is spices. India has been known for its spices since in ancient time. Cardamom, queen of aromatic spices. It's in Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Next one, pepper. It's a king of spices, and it's a black gold. It is in Kerala. Next one, chilies. It is in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan. Next one, turmeric. It's also in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Next one, nutmeg. It's in Kerala. And the next one is coconut. It is in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The another one is cinnamon. It is in Kerala. Clove. It is also in Kerala. Ginger in Kerala, Meghalaya, Sikkim. And the spices location 1000 to 2000 meter altitude for the Western Ghats and other hilly areas. Temperature required for spices cultivation is 10 to 30 degree Celsius. Rainfall is 200 to 300 centimeter. Soil type is lateritic soil. Major producers are Kerala and Karnataka. Highest producer is Kerala. If you like this video means please like, share and subscribe to Vidyapeetham. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment box. Thank you for watching.